Today, we want to study the chapter Biodiversity, Conservation and Environmental Issue. In that, we have to start the point. There are various types of the pollution. That is water pollution, soil pollution, noise pollution, air pollution, thermal pollution are the different types of pollution. Today I want to start, that is water pollution. Water pollution has been a controlling factor in distribution and density of living beings in an area. Human beings water consumption is increased with increased industrialization and increased by utilization and discharge of harmful waste in the water causes the severe water pollution. Most of the water pollution is produced by man. Polluted water contain the turbid, foul smelling and many number of pathogens, various heavy metals, oils, releasing in the importance of maintaining the cleanliness of the water bodies. So due to that, the government of India has proposed a act, that is the Water Prevention and Control Pollution Act in 1974 to save the water resources. Domestic sewage and industrial effluent. Even a small quantity of water, that is about 0.1% impurities in water, can make it to unfit, that is for human consumptions. Solids are relatively easy to separate, but the dissolved salts, that is sodium, potassium, nitrate, phosphates and other dissolved salts, such as all these nitrate, phosphates and nutrients, and the toxic metals like the mercury and some ions, as well as the organic compounds, are very difficult to remove from the water. Domestic sewage is one of the most common source of water pollution. Domestic sewage will be expelled into the water, that is in various types of the rivers. It contains the biodegradable organic matter. It is readily gets decomposed. So decomposed by the bacteria and other microorganisms. They use organic matter as a substrate and utilize some amount of sewage. The domestic sewage in the cow's dung the waste from the agricultural waste, whatever the washing and cloth washing, all these waste, that is detergents, that is put into the, that is water in the river. Biological oxygen demand is also shortly called as the BOD, that is biological oxygen demand. It is the amount of dissolved oxygen required by microorganisms which are present in the water sources, that may be in the pond, that may be in the river or in the sea, for decomposing the organic matter present in the water. Some fishes, frog and toad are living and they require the oxygen. This is called as the biological oxygen demand. It is also called as the BOD. Microorganisms involved in biogradation of organic matter in the water body consume lot of dissolved oxygen, Thus the presence of large amount of nutrients in the water, they causes the excessive growth in the planktonic free floating algae, especially that is the blue green algae. This is also called as the algal bloom, which gives color to the water bodies. Algal bloom often releases the toxic substances. So, the different fishes, toad, frog, and microorganism, due to the toxicity, that is lead, mercury, and etc., the water, quality of water becomes toxic for human beings and also for the other animals which live inside the water. Another treat to the aquatic ecosystem in the water hylinge. It is an aquatic plant and this grows. It was introduced first in India for its lovely purple colored flowers. So it grows excessively and it covers the entire water body. So this plant grows very faster than our ability to remove. So it is commonly called as the terror of Bengal. Natural eutrophication is aging of the lake due to the nutrient enrichment of water. Various types of the proteins, lipids, carbohydrates, and fats that may be enriched into the pond, into the lake, not the free floating water. Depending on the size of the lake, climatic condition, and other factors, natural aging of lakes requires thousands of years. However, due to the pollutants in the human activities like the effluents from the agriculture, from the industries, and from the household, means from the homes, whatever you are bringing some amount of the various types of the vegetables, the raw material of the vegetables will be get expelled into some of the pond, some of the river, or in the lake. That may be accelerated, and this aging process is takes place. This results the non-availability of the dissolved oxygen for the aquatic plant and the aquatic organism, and this leads to the death of the fishes and organic aquatic organism due to the decomposition. Further, the deplete of the particular deplete, and due to the lack of literally they causes the organisms causes the death. A few substrate is usually present in industrial waste can undergo the biological magnification through certain phenomenon. Certain pollutants get accumulated in tissue, and by increasing the concentration along with the food chain, that is called as the biological magnification. Biological magnification. So biodiversity, the environmental issue, that is the water pollution, shrinking of the eutrophic lake with the colored and turbid color and turbid. So due to that, they causes the loss of species in the diversity. So many microorganisms. Due to the turbidity, the species will be get vanished, and due to that, the next stage, that is the death of aquatic animals, including fish. The death fishes from the pond, from the lake, or on the sea, in the sea, that may becomes on the outer surface due to the particular pollution, causes the pollution, that will be a death. Reduce the content, due to the reduce of the content of the dissolved oxygen, that is biological oxygen demand, and the oxygen present inside the water. Due to the reduction in the dissolved oxygen, some species will be get die, and it may become on the surface, on the lateral side of the particular, due to the pollution. Inorganic and organic loadings of the lake, due to that also the water will be get polluted. Death of the submerged plant due to the reduced light reduce light, intensity of light, if the contamination, that is of the proteins, lipids, carbohydrates, that may be submerged more, and due to that the reduction, the toxic waste, various types of the plants that may be submerged into the lake or in the plant, in the particular lake and river, due to the reduction of what light is takes place. Due to water will be get polluted. Biological enrichment of water, that is algal bloom and phytoplanktonic algae and higher plants. Due to this, the excess amount of the algae and higher plants, the water is also polluted. By the nutrients enrichment of water. Nutrients enrichment of water, in that certain amount of proteins, lipids, carbohydrates, fats, some toxic material like the mercury, lead, also some insecticide, that is called as the DDT, that may be for controlling the pest. The insecticide and pesticide that may be sprayed on the plant, and the whole amount of plant, whole the toxic material should not be get absorbed by the plant. Certain DDT, mercury, lead, toxic substances comes along with the water, and due to that the water will get polluted. Biological enrichment of water and the phytoplanktonic plant. We have seen about the figure. In the figure, they having the first the zooplankton having the ppm, having the 0.00003 ppm, it is, and in the zooplankton that may be taken consuming the water, in that the small fishes, various types of the toads and crabs, they consume about 0.4 ppm of the toxic substances that will be get eaten by some small fishes, and in their body 0.5 ppm toxic material will be get comes along with the food chain. This small fishes is again eaten by the large fishes, and the intake of the toxic substances, that is about 2 ppm. These large fishes is again eaten by the next, that is called as the eagle, and there is about 25 ppm part per million toxic substances will be get taken by the tertiary animals. Many predatory and non-degradable animal ppm, so they get accumulated in the tissue of the organism, and they are passed to the one tropic level to the second tropic level, second tropic level to the third tropic level, third tropic level to the another fourth tropic level, and causes the pollution, causes the various types of the toxic substances. They are commonly seen in case of DDT and mercury. In this way, we have completed the point, that is water pollution. Thank you.